Reversal of Shiba Inu could occur due to price action. Unfortunately, the Shiba Inu coin has been in a downtrend for the past few weeks. The good news is that we have some analysts saying that the token could reverse this trend and start to rebound here. A couple of good ideas behind their reasoning, and we're going to talk about it in this video because, guys, if there's one thing that the Shiba Inu coin is known for, its price action, it absolutely breaks the market. And we need to get back to that because we have other coins that are available right now that are getting all the attention from the price action going up hundreds of percentage in just a couple of weeks. And the Shiba Inu needs to step up its game, and it could do that if these analysts are right. So let's look at all of that. And if it sounds like something that you're interested in, let's get started. Welcome to our channel where we talk about the latest updates on Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is the first time you are watching one of our videos, we send you a special welcome. We invite you to click the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are going to announce that this channel has a giveaway of 5 million Shiba Inu tokens. To have the chance to participate, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu. The winner will be announced on 15 each of May. Shiba Inu enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting updates to Shibarium, and the newest feature of the L2 network has generated a lot of excitement. The bridge has the potential to revolutionize the blockchain landscape with its Ethereum bridge and other exciting possibilities. However, as the price of Shiba continues to fall, the question remains, can these improvements help turn things around? The price of Shiba has been experiencing a slump, leaving investors feeling the burn. Shibarium, the L2 network backing Shiba, has achieved a remarkable milestone of over 4.6 million total transactions, indicating significant growth compared to only a few thousand transactions a few weeks ago. Despite this milestone, the volume of daily transactions through Etherscan has declined recently. On a positive note, the number of wallets on the Shibarium test network has increased to more than 14 million active addresses on the L2 network. While the falling price of Shiba may be cause for concern, the network's growth trends offer hope for the future and will be watched closely in the coming days and weeks on most exchanges. Shiba Inu saw favorable funding rates, suggesting an overall positive sentiment towards the cryptocurrency. This trend indicates that a large number of traders speculate that the price of the token will rise rather than fall. Shiba Inu could come out with a cold storage wallet between now and very soon. If you didn't see yesterday's video, be sure to check it out. But the Shiba Inu coin is supposed to be partnered on an exchange with the Sarah audit. Mark, I guess, with the company out there, they could be creating their own coin specific and designed by the cold storage wallet. So even though it's more of a novelty, it could be great for Shiba holders to have that cold storage wallet. But guys, let's analyze what's going on with this price action and why these analysts think we might see it. Shiba Inu could be entering recovery mode very soon as the bearish rally is fading. Now, to me, it doesn't necessarily look like the bearish rally is fading, but we have the bears testing 1,000 points per coin. We can't bounce on it, at least so far. And it seems to be attempting that advance as Bitcoin and Ethereum may be losing strength as well and pulling back a little bit. So it goes on to say that Shiba Inu has been attracting attention on the cryptocurrency market as analysts and investors speculate on a possible trend reversal for the digital asset. I have never seen more hopeful investors. Guys, investors in the Shiba Inu coin are expectantly wide-eyed, and they believe that the Shiba Inu coin is going to go up and up forever. So of course they believe that this trend reversal will take place. Now, according to the daily chart, Shiba appears to be moving along a solid support level at about 1,000 points per coin. Yes, absolutely agree. Now the trading volume has been steadily declining. Now, this is where the analysts come in and say that this trend reversal may be occurring. Also, volume has been steadily declining, which could be an indication of an impending trend reversal. Also, the RSI Relative Strength Index, currently at 40, provides more information on the potential future trajectory of assets. So, yes, I agree with this to some extent. The falling trading volume in the Shiba Inu currency is not a guarantee that this reversal is going to take place. It could be the fact that fewer people are interested in it because the price action is declining. People could be trading less Shiba Inu because they are moving to other cryptocurrencies. There are a variety of reasons why the trading volume of the Shiba Inu coin could be declining, but the good news is that it is not moving lower on high volume. If Shiba were moving lower in price and volume is increasing, it would indicate that more and more people are selling at this time. Simply put, it could mean that fewer people are buying or trying to sell and push that price even lower. So it is still a good indicator that volume is decreasing as the price also goes lower. This can be interpreted as a sign that the selling pressure on Shiba is decreasing. That's one of the reasons it could be falling. When trading volume goes down, it usually implies that fewer traders are actively participating in the market. That's true because that's the definition of volume. This could mean that the bearish are losing control of the asset, setting the stage for a possible reversal. As selling pressure diminishes, it's possible that buyers will regain control by pushing the price of the token higher. And as I said, this is the most optimistic outlook. Why Shiba Inu coin volume is declining here, but you must remain optimistic. Otherwise, you might convince yourself not to remain a holder, or you might convince yourself not to believe in the future of the Shiba Inu coin. This just continues to talk about the 1,000 point per coin support level and all that stuff. We absolutely know. But just to let you know how low the trading volume is right now, in the last 24 hours, the Shiba Inu coin has seen a combined, decentralized and centralized trading volume of only $63.5 million. That's a lot of money in itself. But when you really look at it in terms of the whole crypto market, or when you look at it in terms of where the Shiba Inu coin has been before, it's very low. The coin was back on its best day when it was hitting those all-time highs and people were kind of left and right. It used to do $40 billion in a single day. So $63 million is extremely low. It's almost 1,000th of the volume that we saw when the Shiba Inu coin was running. Now, I will have to be a little more optimistic, and I will say that the volume fading in this situation is a good sign. Why? I don't think people will abandon the Shiba Inu coin community. I don't think the unicorn is done growing, and I don't think the coin is done growing either. I think it's just the fact that less and less people are trading cryptocurrencies right now. Less and less people are interested in cryptocurrencies, and what we're doing is we're weeding out those who just trade and we're moving towards those who will stick around. So I want to know what you guys think. If this trading volume fades as an indicator that the Inu coin could be setting up as a good base and getting ready to bounce, particularly, I think that's a possibility. Tell me what you think in the comments section. So we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.